today's workshop was on the ESDM, so the Early Start Denver model, which is an ABA-based treatment for young children with autism, focusing on play and relationship and communication development. We are following the child's lead, and we're doing that is because we want to keep the child happy, and we want to utilize play activities that the child is enjoying.
What was powerful from today is the importance of engagement and joint attention, and how that is so important to build from birth right throughout the early years of life. And I'm definitely interested in seeing how we can blend the ESDM approach to what we're already doing at the EAP Malaysia.